2021 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control. This is a top-rated dealer. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.